Hi everyone, thought we'd kick off the weekend here with a massive eggplant harvest. I have like an eggplant forest going on here. There's tons of eggplant in here. This is probably the third or fourth crop this eggplant has produced. Almost pulled it out a while ago. It almost got completely eaten up by spider mites, but am I ever glad I left it in. Okay, so let's dig in here and pull out some of these beautiful, gorgeous Black Beauty eggplant. Now, you'll know the eggplant are ready to harvest when they have a really nice shiny sheen to them, like this one does here. This is sized up absolutely beautifully. You might have seen this on our October garden tour. These were all teeny tiny back then. But to harvest eggplant, you simply just cut the stem off, and there you go. We're gonna grill these babies up tonight. It's one of our favorite ways to eat eggplant.
Yeah, this will be fun.
So yes, it will be fun. Now I've got a bumper crop of eggplant in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest them all. And I wanna hear from you any of your eggplant eating tips, because as you can see from how many we've got in here, I am gonna need some new ways to eat eggplant. One of my favorite ways is slicing them up long ways, grilling them like that, and then making a little eggplant roll up with goat cheese and what other veggies and herbs I can pull out of the garden. Look at these beauties. They're called Black Beauty for a reason, aren't they? Ooh, here is a really nice one.
Ooh,
look at this one, Jerry.
Yeah, good sheen on that.
Oh yeah. This is perfect for some eggplant parmesan. Now it's just so exciting to grow, harvest, and eat out of your own backyard. I mean, what a thrill to pick a full basket of eggplant. I think there's going to be plenty.
I think so too.
To share with the neighbors as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and harvest all the eggplant off this plant. Eggplant is a warm weather vegetable and it loves warm temperatures, but we've been getting some nights in the 40s. So I don't think they're going to grow that much more or produce another crop for me yet this year. The cool thing about eggplant though is, at least in southern climates like we live here in California, they will overwinter. So I can trim this plant back and it will grow back next year, fingers crossed. This plant actually started last year in the garden, so this is the second summer we've had it here. We already have about 10 maybe in my harvest basket, and I'm going around the other side to pick some more. Now you can see here that this one has kind of a dull color on it. This is a sign that this one's a little bit overripe, even though it's smaller. What happens when the color starts to dull is it gets a little bit on the seedy side. The seeds get a little bit larger and sometimes the flavor starts to decline. But I've had these several times. They're still really good. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take them off anyway. But you do wanna try and catch them while they're nice and shiny before the color starts to dull. Got a whole bunch more down here on the ground. What an amazing harvest. This plant is so heavy from eggplant that it's starting to fall over. Well, I'm pretty excited. This has got to be our largest organic eggplant harvest yet. I think there's probably about 15 or 20 in here.
I have to say so. This is quite a bit.
It is a lot, and we're gonna go and grill these up for dinner. But do let me know in the comments how you'd like to eat eggplant. We definitely need some new ideas. And if you wanna grow your own eggplant, head over to CaliKimGardenandHome.com, grab an eggplant seed collection. The cool thing is I'm having a clearance sale this weekend. All Cali Kim seed collections are on sale for 40% off with the code microgreens, and that sale ends on Monday, October 31st. So head over and grab your seeds now. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.